Welcome back everyone to another highly anticipated episode of Cooking with Clay. We're back, baby. With the 4th of July just around the corner, I've got the recipe that'll light your fireworks. 3-pound brisket from the local farmer's market, Forage Hawaii. I'll post a link in the description below. 100% grass-fed meat from the Big Island, and they even have a ranch on Oahu too in the North Shore. We got salt, we got pepper, the kind Hawaiian smoky rub. So the plan of attack with this brisket, I'm gonna trim a little bit of the fat off both sides. Then I'm gonna hit it with the oil so the seasonings can stick. I've got my smoker preheating right now at 225 degrees. We're just gonna put it in for at least 4 hours, and then we'll get a temperature probe in there and see where we're at. If you like cooking content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified for the next video I make. So now it's time to trim the brisket. I'm just gonna take off a little bit of this fat on both sides with my super sharp knife. Nothing's going to waste here. We're gonna put this in the smoker with this, render the fat down, and you're gonna get a beef tallow. Liquid gold is what they call it. Nothing goes to waste. Shave off a little bit so we can make some Korean barbecue later. Just like we said with the brisket, nothing goes to waste. We've got the fat that we trimmed off the brisket. That goes into here. That's gonna render down into a tallow. And we made little slices for Korean barbecue. So these two are gonna go on the smoker, and this will be safe for later. Some black truffle olive oil. Our salt, pepper, 3-to-1 mix. So the seasoning I'm using is this smoky rub, locally made. For technical purposes, just to get the camera in frame, I'm on my knee. We got the smoker preheated to 225. That's the ultimate smoking temperature. Six hours has passed. We're back. Gonna check on the meat. Holy cow. Look at this bark we have. So we've hit 162 right about. This is perfect. We're gonna wrap it now. So it's time for the next part of the smoke. So we've got the brisket on the aluminum foil. Fold the corners in, wrap like a nice burrito. And this is going back on the smoker, 250 degrees. This is gonna get the temperature pretty soon. I'll just throw this right back on. That beef tallow is looking good. All right, so we put that back on. We're gonna let that smoke for another hour and a half maybe. It's been smoking kind of quickly. Next benchmark is that 202 degrees Fahrenheit. Right around then is when the fat's gonna be rendered down. It's gonna be a nice brisket. So we brought this to 215, it reached internal, and then I panicked and took it off really quick. It's been cooling for about an hour, so now it's at 160. Time to unwrap. Oh shoot. And this is our finished product, that perfect wall-to-wall perfection, soft brisket. This one might be a little overcooked, we'll see. Let's give it a taste test. It's pretty good. It is a bit overcooked, just a bit. It's still solid.